Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to start our first chapter in chemistry. So open your book, students. On page number 13 you can see the heading is given matter and its composition. So students, you have already studied about matter and its composition in your previous classes. So today again we are going to learn about matter and its composition. So students, first of all, what is matter? You can see the definition is given: anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Means you can see we have a pen. This pen is a matter, students. Why? Because this pen has some mass, it also occupies some space, so we can say this pen is the example of matter. Second, you can see we have some sugar. This sugar is also a matter, students, because it has some mass, it also occupies some space, so we can say this sugar is a example of matter. Some other example you can see: book, pen, water, milk, rock, mineral, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. So these are the example of matter. Students, if we see in our surrounding, will find almost everything is made up of matter. Even our body is also a matter, because our body has some mass and it also occupies some space, so we can say we are the example of matter. Next, students, you can see we have some characteristics of matter. We have three characteristics of matter. First, it has mass. Second, it occupies volume. Third, it can be perceived or felt by physical sense. You can see we have some water in a glass, so we can say this water has some mass and it also has some volume. Third, we can feel it by touching it. So we can say this water have three characteristics of matter. First, it has mass. Second, it occupies volume. And third, it can be perceived or felt by physical sense. Now students, we have three different types of matter. You can see we have three different types of matter. First, solid. We have some sugar, so we can say this sugar is a solid. Second, we have some water in a glass, so we can say this water is a liquid. And third, we have a balloon, and inside this balloon we have some air, so we can say this balloon is an example of gases. So we have three different states of matter: first solid, second liquid, and third gases. So students, now we will see the molecular diagram of solid, liquid and gas. First, you can see the molecules of solid. See, we have the molecules of solid, and you can see the molecules are tightly packed. There is no intermolecular space between the molecules. Why? Because the force of attraction between the molecules is very strong, and this force is called force of attraction, and that's why we can say the molecules inside the solid are tightly packed or closely packed. Second, you can see the molecules of liquid. You can see the molecules have some space between them, so this space is called intermolecular space, students. So due to this intermolecular space, we can say the force of attraction inside the molecules of liquid is less or weak, we can say. Third, we have gas. You can see in gases we have more intermolecular space between the molecules. Due to this more intermolecular space between the molecules, we can say the force of attraction is very weak, students. We can say the force of attraction is very weak in gases and very strong in solid. So students, today we have studied about matter, the characteristics of matter, and the three different states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Students, now we are going to study about kinetic theory of matter. First, see the diagram of kinetic molecular model of matter. First is solid, second liquid, and the third is gas. First, see solid, the molecules of solid. You can see the molecules are closely packed. Why they are closely packed? Because the force of attraction between the molecules is very strong, and there is no space between the molecules. So that's why we can say molecules are closely packed in solid. Second, you can see in liquid. Student, you can see we have some gaps between the molecules. So this gap is called intermolecular space. So due to this intermolecular space, the molecule inside liquid are loosely packed. because the force of attraction is weak between the molecules in liquid. Third, you can see we have gas. We have some molecules inside the gas. You can see these molecules have more intermolecular space. Due to this more intermolecular space, students, we can say the force of attraction is weak. So this is the molecular model of matter of kinetic theory. Now what the kinetic theory of matter says? Students, kinetic theory of matter says all matter is made up of small particles. They are called molecules, sometimes they are called atom or ions. So this is the first property of kinetic theory of matter. Second, the molecules are always in a state of rapid random motion in all possible direction. Means you can see in gases we have more intermolecular space. Due to this more intermolecular space, the molecules are in a state of rapid random motion. So this is the second point. Third, you can say due to this molecule rapid random motion inside the molecules, we can say the kinetic energy take place, because molecules are in a state of rapid random motion, and that's why kinetic energy take place between the molecules. Fourth, you can see the attractive force between the molecules are there. There are some attractive force between the molecules inside the solid, liquid and gases. Student, we have two types of attractive force. First is cohesive force and the second is adhesive force. The attractive force between the molecules of same kind means the force of attraction of between the two same kind of molecules is called cohesive force, and the attractive force between the molecules of two different kind is called adhesive force. Students, now you can see the next one. The kinetic energy of molecule increase with increase in temperature. As we increase the temperature of these molecules, the kinetic energy will also increase. And you can see the seventh one. As we increase the distance between the molecules, means as we increase the intermolecular space between the molecules, the force of attraction will also decrease. So this is the kinetic theory of matter. So students, learn all the 7 points and draw this kinetic molecular model of matter in the copy.